Struggling to write SEO-optimized blogs that rank #1 on Google? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can research, generate, and optimize content, all in seconds? Meet Deepseek Vi 3 AI, your ultimate blogging assistant. Most bloggers spend hours researching, writing, and optimizing content to improve search rankings, but Deepseek AI does it in minutes. With Deepseek V3, you can research your topic instantly, generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content, create compelling titles and meta descriptions, ensure your blog ranks at the top of search results. Here's how you can use Deepseek AI to write a high-ranking blog in just a few steps. Step 1. Research your topic. Enter your blog topic into Deepseek AI, and it will generate the latest insights, trends, and facts, all accurate and up-to-date. Step 2. Generate SEO-optimized content. Deepseek AI will write high-quality content with relevant keywords, headings, and structure, all optimized for search engines. Step 3. Create engaging titles and meta descriptions. Get click-worthy titles and meta descriptions that boost your blog's visibility and increase click-through rates. Step 4. Optimize and publish. Deepseek AI ensures your blog follows SEO best practices, making it easy to rank higher on Google, Bing, and other search engines. Want to supercharge your blogging strategy? Start using Deepseek Vi 3 AI today and write high-ranking blogs effortlessly.